Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share the reasons why I ended up returning my Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. So I ended up being able to order, finally, the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette in the Damier print after stalking the website over and over. I think they used to update their stock like pretty early in the morning, but now I think it's really whenever they are able to update it. So it's not at a specific time. I think I was able to place an order really late at night. And I had another friend on Instagram who also said that she was able to order hers after mine, which was like way after 10 o'clock. So just keep on checking the website if you're looking for one. So that's different than how it was several months ago. So I was really excited to have that shipped to me. It shipped within 2 or 3 days, so they're still pretty quick with the shipping. And when I opened the box, I made sure that it was made in France, which was really great because I was afraid it would be made in US. I know a lot of other YouTubers have been ordering their stuff from the Louis Vuitton website as well, but there's been a lot of issues with the made in the US piece, especially recently. They opened a new factory in Texas, so maybe they're training their new employees or something like that. But anyway, I was really happy to see that it was made in France piece. It still kind of looked like the stitching wasn't quite right and the shape wasn't even on both sides. I unfortunately don't have a picture of that, but it wasn't a big deal to me. So when I saw it, I was still very happy. And I was about 99% sure that I was gonna keep it. And 10 days later, I still hadn't used it for a single second. It just sat on my shelf, and that hinted at me that I probably won't really get a lot of use out of it. I ordered this because I wanted to, one, as a mini handbag, and two, as a mini catch-all to carry in your bag. But first of all, I don't go into an office basically at all anymore. I won't have to go into an office probably for a long while. I won't be needing a catch-all in my bigger handbags because I won't be carrying a big handbag because I'm not going to work. In terms of using it as a mini bag, for those of you who are following along on my channel, would know that I have placed an order for a Gucci Marmont Super Mini, and I got that before I got the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette, and I've been using that as a mini handbag, and that one works fantastically. It actually does fit my phone while the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette doesn't. So while I have been carrying the Gucci Marmont Super Mini every day, I unboxed the Mini Pochette and then I didn't touch it at all for 10 days. So, you know, it's like the excitement for when you get a new piece, it just quite wasn't there. So I knew that, well, I could resell it for more money, or I can just return it to Louis Vuitton and have somebody else be able to order it from their website for how much it is. So those are the main reasons why I returned the Mini Pochette. And other than the fact that I already have a mini bag that I bought very recently, I also do have this little guy by Prada. It's their nylon pouch cosmetic case, whatever you might call it. And this is significantly bigger than the Mini Pochette. Mini Pochette compared to this is as big as my hand is. Mini Pochette only comes up to be like this wide. This, however, fits significantly a lot more. So even if I do end up carrying like a bigger bag like Neverfull or a tote or backpack, this I really don't have to worry about whether the canvas is gonna get squished or damaged. The Prada nylon products are basically indestructible. This piece that I have here is going to wear a lot better than, so my hair is a mess, a lot better than the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. So because I already had a piece in my collection that could act as a catch-all, like this even fits my phone like I said, and everything that I'll need. It fits like a pen, no problem. It has already like my charging cable and something like that in here. It fits my phone like no problem. So even if I needed a catch-all, this was gonna take its place, not the Mini Pochette. So while it's a very overhyped piece, and I think there's a reason for it, it comes with a chain, it's really cute, it has multi-purpose kind of a thing, but for me, with my current collection, I really didn't see a point of owning that piece. So I ended up returning it. The return was accepted on UPS, so it will be going back to their stock items, so be on the lookout. I think it'll be going back into their stock probably later today, if not, I think on Monday. So if you're on the lookout, hopefully you can grab one on their website as well. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I wanted to share quickly why I ended up returning the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. Nothing against the item, but it's just doesn't serve the purposes that it would normally serve for anyone else. So let me know what you guys think about the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette, whether you are looking to buy one or you also don't think that it will serve the two purposes of carrying as a mini bag or a catch-all in your wardrobe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.